Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how you can take screenshot without using these physical buttons. So we got two methods. The first one, we have to open notification panel and find screenshot icon. When you tap on it once, the screenshot will be taken and you can save by tapping on the right upper corner. Another option you can find in the settings and the conversion tools. It will appear on the screenshot. As you can see, we can take screenshot with 3 fingers by swiping down. There it is. And also by clicking and holding. It will be scroll screenshot, but also we can scroll and capture whole screen. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.